Today I'm going to show you how to create a comfortable space to show guests you care and keep them out of your hair. First up, instead of a bulky new bed, this beautiful headboard will do the trick and save a bunch of cash. The upholstered back is really comfortable and looks totally high-end. There isn't room for a dresser in this room, but I like to give guests the option to tuck their stuff away. This 3-drawer nightstand offers plenty of storage for a short-term stay, and the pull-out tray is the perfect size for a laptop. I leave a folding luggage rack in here for suitcases, plus I can use it when I pack for trips. I like to leave a few extra towels and toiletries because this way guests can help themselves. Talk about a warm welcome. This TV stand has a built-in fireplace and tons of storage. It'll keep the room cozy and clutter-free. I like to add some local magazines and travel maps so my guests can get to know the area, just like they're staying in a hotel. Plus, here's a fun way to share the Wi-Fi password and any important info. Last but not least, one thing I like to do is to create a cozy nook. A lamp and this clever table make the most of a little bit of floor space. This is the perfect place for you or your guests to relax. Even if you only use a few of these ideas, it'll make hosting guests a snap and leave a great impression. Now be my guest and find these ideas at wayfair.com. Thanks for watching.